Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Wafa Tech and Tricks, your go-to place for smart tech tips and real ways to earn online. Today's video is something many of you have been waiting for: how to make money on Facebook. Yes, you heard that right. The same app you scroll every day can actually become your income source. In this video, I will guide you step by step from beginner level to advanced monetization strategies. So by the end, you will know exactly how to start earning from Facebook in 2026. So without wasting our time, let's get into it. What is Facebook monetization? First, let's understand what Facebook monetization actually means. Facebook monetization is the process of earning money through your content, whether it's videos, reels, posts, or even live streams. Instead of just using Facebook for entertainment purposes, you can turn it into a digital business where your content becomes your income. And you know what's the best part? You don't need to be a celebrity. Just consistency, smart strategy, and valuable content on Facebook can make Facebook your income source. Before you start earning, Facebook has some requirements you must meet. Number 1, you need minimum 5,000 followers on your profile for most monetization features. Number 2, 60,000 minutes of watch time in the last 60 days is must. Number 3, you should have at least 5 active videos. Number 4, you should follow Facebook's community standards and monetization policies. You also need a Facebook page, not just a personal profile. And remember, original content is key. Reposting others' videos can get your monetization disabled, and you can get copyrights on your content. So work carefully with consistency and do hard work without copying or stealing others' content. Focus on your content. Now, here we go talking about the ways to make money on Facebook. Number 1, in-stream ads or video ads. This is one of the most popular methods. When you upload longer videos, Facebook places ads inside your content and you earn money based on your views. So, the more engaging your videos are, the more you earn. Number 2, Facebook Reels bonus. Short videos are trending nowadays on Facebook, and Facebook is pushing Reels heavily. You can earn through ads shown on your Reels or bonus programs depending on your region. So if you're not making Reels yet, you are missing a huge opportunity. Start making Reels or short videos from now on because Facebook is promoting Reels and this is the best way to get your videos viral. Number 3, stars means live streaming earnings. When you go live on Facebook, your followers can send you stars, which convert into real money. This works best if you have an engaged audience like gaming, tutorials, or daily vlogs. For example, you make videos about gaming, you can do live stream playing video games, and people will send you stars, which will be converted into real money and you can earn. Number 4, brand deals and sponsorships. Even before monetization approval, you can earn through brand collaborations. Companies pay you to promote their products, especially if you have a niche audience. For example, beauty products, tech related, education, or lifestyle content. Number 5, affiliate marketing. This is beginner friendly. You promote products using your unique link and earn commission every sale. There is no need to create your own product, you just have to recommend others' product and earn through it. But not stealing others' product, but recommending their product with their permission or working with them. Number 6, selling your own products or services. You can use Facebook to sell anything. Anything means courses, clothes, digital products or services, beauty products, anything. Your page becomes your free marketing platform. You introduced a product, you can do its marketing, promotion, advertisement, selling, each and everything on Facebook. Now I will tell you about best content strategies because not all content makes money. There are some tips. Number one, focus on one niche. For example, if you're making videos about tech, focus on tech videos. If your content is related to education, then focus on educational videos. Because if you will post randomly, for example, first you posted a video about tech and then you posted video about beauty, you will not be able to find your target audience. Number two, post consistently. At least one video daily or 3 to 4 videos weekly because consistency is the key to success. Number third, create engaging hooks in first 3 seconds. When you start a video, make sure the intro of the video engage with audience, which will keep the audience till the end of the video. Number 4, use trending topics plus your unique twist. Yeah, that's right. Use a trending topic for your content, for your videos, but add a unique twist of your in the video. Number 5, reply to comments to build community. Whatever your content is, when somebody comments on your post or on your videos, you should reply them so they feel engaged and important. And most importantly, don't give up early. Growth takes time, but once it starts, it scales fast. Now, moving on towards the common mistakes to avoid. Let me save you from some common mistakes, especially which beginners make. Number 1, copy paste content. No, you shouldn't post someone else's content. This will make your impression bad. Number 2, ignoring audience engagement. Never ignore audience, reply to their comments, posting randomly without strategy. As I told you before, random posts or random content will not make your content viral. So focus on your niche. Number 4, violating Facebook policies. If you will violate the Facebook policies, Facebook will not promote you and will remove your profile. Number 5, giving up too soon. As I told you before, saying it again, never give up too early because consistency is the key to success and you will stay consistent if you have patience. So be patient. If you avoid these few mistakes, you are already ahead of 80% of people. As I told you common mistakes to avoid, now we'll tell you pro tips for faster growth. Here are some pro tips. Number 1, use catchy thumbnails and captions for your videos. Number 2, collaborate with other creators to engage the audience. Number 3, share your content in groups to make it viral. Number 4, analyze insights like what works, what doesn't. Number 5, stay updated with trends. Smart work always beats hard work in content creation. Facebook monetization is real. People are earning thousands of dollars every month. But it's not magic. It's consistency, patience, and learning from your mistakes. If you start today and stay consistent for 3 to 6 months, you can build a strong income stream. If you are serious, here's what you should do right after this video. Number 1, create or optimize your Facebook page. Number 2, choose your niche. Number 3, upload your first 3 videos. Number 4, stay consistent for 30 days. Simple steps but powerful results. And after doing these all 4 things, let me know in the comments what are the results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Wafa Tech and Tricks. Comment below, are you planning to start Facebook monetization or are you already on the journey? I'd love to guide you. Until next time, stay smart, stay consistent, and turn your time into income. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.